Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free PayPal cash codes the easy way and generate money. Listen, it's really up to you. I mean, you can make hundreds of dollars or you can make thousands of dollars. Actually, I'm going to tell you about a secret website that's going to get you that PayPal money in your pocket. Also, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, as I do in all my videos. But if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a bonus method where you can make even more money and have the time freedom to be with your family. That's what you want to do. First, if you're wondering, who am I? I'm Shelly Hopkins, and I teach you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, PayPal cash codes. You never know. My channel has all kinds of stuff that has to do with making money online. So, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the magic. And if you're ready, let's get into the video. Let's look at some of the payouts on this site. They kind of differ. I mean, here's $25. They tell you the US, this one has 249 countries, from $16 to $1.40, $72, 13%, $2, $40, $20, $722, $6, $59.50, $6. So just so you know, these are real payouts on this real site. Now, the actual site is called offerwall.com. Now, this is kind of unique. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to show you a really good example. Now, over here you have offers, affiliate networks, pay-per-call offers, mobile offers, and I ignore that one. But let's go over here to offers. Now, this shows what it is, the product. There's all kinds of different networks that they're actually on. And then this is the payout. Now, some people want to just do it by mobile because a lot of people are on mobile. Some people want to look at their countries, by the date. I picked one that definitely is going to help you be able to make PayPal money, definitely with these cash codes, because PayPal money is what we want, right? So I'm going to help you get some money in your bank. But, these also pay other different ways besides PayPal. Let me show you an example offer. Let's look at this offer. You can put Rose Seal, Cute Bear up in the description if you want, and it should go straight to it. But I chose this offer because the countries is 22 countries. And I have a lot of followers that aren't just from the United States. And it's $30 CPA, which normally is cost per action. So usually when you click on it. Sometimes when it says that, there's some, some hidden fees, for $30, because that's a really good offer. But everything that I've looked into is legit. And this is a pretty cool thing because, who doesn't need a temperature, thermometer? And for kids, if you have kids, this is perfect. That's why it's considered, e-commerce, because it's an actual product. The other cool thing is it's last updated March 31st, 2022. The network is where it's from. So here's e-commerce. If you wanted to preview the landing page, see, it's $99, which is why they're able to pay you $30. And I think everybody needs one of these, especially with today. There's COVID and no telling what else is around the corner. So these are really good for adults, but I really think they're good for kids, especially. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, Shelly, how am I going to get people to click on this thing? Because once they click on it, you make money. How can I do that? Well, I'm going to show you a few ways to get free organic traffic. Do me a favor. If you're getting anything out of this, leave me an emoji in the comments. If it's great, leave me a smiley one. And if it's bad, give me a sad face. But I really don't want the sad face. Now, to actually get the offer, click on Run Offer. And then you just have to fill this out. They'll send you an email and everything, and then you'll be good to go. I went ahead and read the terms and conditions for you, but I got halfway through and nearly fell asleep. But it really, everything looks legit. And then you click on I'm not a robot, submit. Boom. Now, let me show you how we can get some traffic to this thing. One thing I don't talk about a lot is Quora. Now, I like Quora because people are actually searching for questions. Now, this might not be the best example, but when you niche down, like this would be, I searched for kids' health. This is niched down. Something about that can be so specific, it actually could be a good thing. And on Quora, you literally, there are questions. So you just search the area that you want it in. Now, this was a perfect thing to promote because it went to so many countries, but you could use this on different sites. And I'm actually going to show you something that I think would be better for this specific item than Quora, but a lot of people don't know or forget about Quora. So even if you had a different thing that you find, a different offer, Quora is still good. And I wanted to show you that because this is kids' health, and I still think Quora is a great option. Now, I wanted to show you this. This is 7 months. So this is, why are Florida politics more important? Okay. So even in something like this, you can be like, kids are important, and we need to stay on top of stuff these days. I have like something really cool that everybody needs to have in their household, and you don't have to touch no one. You could take kids' temperatures that comes over to make sure everybody's okay. I don't know. But this is 7 years. I wanted to show you this. Now, there's all kinds of questions on here from years back, as long as this has been on here. But when someone posts something new, it bumps it up to the top. So it doesn't really matter when you see this right here, because I've posted on all kinds of stuff that's old. So that's why on the kids' health, I left it here because it's some great examples. Are you ready? There's, you could search for thermometer. You could search for, again, I think it's great for kids. You could search for kids' fevers. You could, all kinds of ideas. I just wanted to just use this example. And Quora is awesome. It's awesome. Now, another thing that I wanted to point to is Pinterest. Just because for this specific item, I think Pinterest would be good. Because look at all of the moms that's on Pinterest. There's a lot. So, and it's easy. It's easy to create a pin. It's easy to put something out here. And if you want to know how to do it, I interviewed a friend of mine. It was a while back, but it's like one of the best ways of how to do a pin on Pinterest. So I'll put it up at the top. But on here, there's all kinds of stuff, that mental health. Where you could have a picture of a kid. You could have just a picture of a thermometer, and it would work perfectly. And they click on it, boom, you're paid. So I really think, as far as a thermometer, this would be good because it would be great for kids. And depending on something else, you could even say you did a make money online thing, you could still use Pinterest. I just wanted to show you. Now, you could also use, I don't have it pulled up, but you could also use Twitter and Instagram as well. You could just, post something about it. Hey, this is just something that everybody needs in their household. And you can use the same example that I did about friends coming over, being able to take their temperature, and post it on Twitter and Instagram. And it's going to do good. Everybody needs that in their house. Remember that bonus method I was telling you about? If you could wait till the end of the video. Now is the time. And guess what? It's the same thing that I do. So if you are ready to walk through the door of opportunity, and you do have to put in some work, because you can't just push a button and boom, money comes flying. This is not how it works. Listen, guys, if I can do this, anybody can. I am a single mom, and I got laid off of a great job along with a whole department of mine. And I've been doing this full time for nearly 4 years now. This is what helped me get to where I'm at now. And I strongly believe in it. So I know if it can help me, it can help you. So guys, what are you waiting for? It's the first link in the bio. Go ahead, get started on that. Let me know, because I want to help you through the process. I want to help you on this journey. I want to see you succeed. So let me know in the comments. You can even message me. My Facebook link is down below. You can even message me and let me know that you got started on it on Facebook. I don't mind. And guess what? If you liked this video, I think that you're going to like the next one, because it has to do with PayPal money as well. And guess what? I'll see you in there because, get it? I'm in it